Welcome to day 3 of the 365-day English challenge. Today, we are doing something powerful, thinking in English. Did you know that the biggest reason people struggle to speak English fluently is that they first think in their native language, translate it in their head, and then speak? This makes speaking slow and difficult. So, what's the solution? Start thinking in English from today. Step 1. Describe what you see. Look around you. What do you see? Try to describe your surroundings in English in your mind. Example: I see a window. The curtains are blue. The sun is shining outside. A bird is sitting on the tree. Don't worry about grammar. Just train your brain to think in English. Do this for 5 minutes every morning and every night. Step 2. Think in English while doing activities at a shop. Think: I need to buy some apples. Oh, these bananas look fresh. Where is the milk section? Cooking? Think: I am cutting the vegetables. Now, I will add salt. The food smells delicious. Walking? Think: the weather is nice today. I see people jogging. A dog is playing with a ball. Turn your daily activities into English thinking exercises. Step 3. Silent conversations in your mind. Ever had imaginary conversations in your head? Use them to practice English. Pretend you're talking to a friend in English. Ask yourself questions and answer them. Example: what will I do tomorrow? Tomorrow, I will wake up early. I will go to work. Then, I will read a book. No one can hear your mistakes, so feel free to practice as much as you want. Step 4. Replace native language words with English words. If you don't know a word in English, don't switch back to your native language. Instead, describe it in English. Example: I don't know the word for kettle. Hung. It's a thing used to boil water for tea. Over time, your brain will automatically think in English without translating. Step 5. Challenge yourself. Take a notebook. Every day, write 3 to 5 sentences about your thoughts in English. Example: today, I felt happy. I completed my work on time. I watched a funny video. Even simple sentences will train your brain to think in English faster. Why this challenge? Thinking in English is the fastest way to fluency. It removes the habit of translating and makes speaking natural and effortless. It helps you speak confidently without hesitation. It's okay if you make mistakes. The important thing is to start. Your task today: spend 15 minutes thinking in English. Try describing things, talking to yourself, and replacing words. Comment: I am thinking in English below if you completed today's challenge. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Fluency starts in your mind. Train it daily. See you tomorrow for day 4.